Welcome to our Regulations video series. I'm Laura, your Customer Success Manager, here to guide you through Albania's Law number 124 of 2024 on personal data protection. Approved in December 2024, this law modernizes Albania's data protection framework and aligns it with the EU GDPR and Directive 2016/680. Its purpose is to protect fundamental rights and freedoms in relation to personal data processing. The law was approved on December 19, 2024, and promulgated on January 15, 2025. It was published in the Official Gazette on January 17, 2025, and entered into force on February 1, 2025. Certain operational provisions apply from January 17, 2027, following a 2-year delay. The law applies to controllers and processors established in Albania, as well as foreign companies offering goods or services to individuals in Albania or monitoring their behavior. It covers both automated processing and structured manual files. There are limited exemptions. The law does not apply to purely personal or family activities. Criminal law processing by competent authorities is regulated separately. Organizations must apply lawful processing principles, implement appropriate security measures, maintain processing records where required, conduct impact assessments for high-risk processing, notify the commissioner within 72 hours of qualifying breaches, and conclude written agreements with processors. Website operators must provide transparent privacy information, obtain valid consent where required, respond to data subject requests within 30 days, notify the authority within 72 hours of qualifying breaches, and apply safeguards when collecting data online. The law introduces structured safeguards for international transfers, requires the appointment of a data protection officer in defined cases, mandates prior consultation in certain high-risk situations, and empowers the Commissioner to issue guidance. Individuals benefit from strong rights, including access, rectification, erasure, restriction, portability, and objection to certain processing activities, as well as protection against decisions based solely on automated processing. Enforcement is carried out by the Commissioner for the right to information and personal data protection. Administrative fines can reach up to 2 billion Albanian lek, approximately $21 million, or 4% of global annual turnover, whichever is higher. Organizations may challenge fines before the competent court. Thank you for joining us. At Clym, we're here to help you navigate compliance with ease. Visit us at clym.io to learn more about our all-in-one digital compliance solution.